Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. I am here to discuss with you the remaining portion of the lesson, the enemy. This is the 11th video of this lesson. As this lesson has more than 20 pages, I request all my students to go through all videos uploaded by a teacher. If there is any question, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number 7383759748. Let's begin to read from the place where we stopped last time. I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. He gazed down into her anxious eyes. I must get rid of this man for your sake, he said in distress. Somehow, I must get rid of this man. So, she thought that she had an impression about that army man, that army man came to her house in order to arrest her husband because her husband had given shelter to an enemy. So, she thought that he had come to arrest him. I thought they had come to arrest you, she said. Hannah said to the Sadao that she had thought that the messenger had come to arrest him. He gazed down into her and exercised. I must get rid of this man for your sake, he said in distress. Somehow I must get rid of him. Sadao looked carefully at Hannah's anxious eyes. He was very sad and distressed, and he says that he must get rid of this man for her sake. He added that he had to get rid of this man by any means. Sadao goes to see the general. Okay, now Sadao is now talking with general. Okay, of course, the general said weakly. I understand fully, but that is because I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. Now Dr. Sadao informed everything to general that one day an American escaped prisoner came before his house at the seashore, and he was very badly wounded. He was very injured, and he saved the life of that man by doing an operation. So he confessed everything before general. So he says he told him everything. He confessed before everything because it was a headache for him. The presence of American army man inside his house was a headache for his wife as well as for him. So he confessed before general everything. Sadao narrated the entire story to the general. The general was very weak, said that he understood Sadao's position because he had also studied in America at the Princeton University, but there was only a few Japanese who had studied in America. Right? Okay. I care nothing for the man, Excellency, Sadao said, but having operated on him with such a success. Yes, the general said, it only makes me feel you are more indispensable to me. Indispensable means essential, unavoidable. Evidently, you can save anyone. You are so skilled. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today. Not more than one, Sadao said. Explanation. Sadao replied to the general that he did not care for the American man, but as he had operated upon him successfully, the general interrupted him and said, yes, he felt that Sadao was a necessary part of his life. As Sadao had been successful at operating on the man, the general felt that Sadao was very skilled. The general asked that did Sadao think that the general had any chance of surviving another heart attack as the one he had that day? Sadao replied that in his opinion the general could not survive more than one such heart attack. This is the explanation which I already explained you over here, right? Not more than one. Let's begin to read further. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you, the general said with anxiety. His long pale Japanese face became expressionless, which meant that he was in deep thought. You cannot be arrested, the general said, closing his eyes. Suppose you were condemned to death and the next day I had to have my operation. I am here to make you understand. The general said that then in that case he could not allow anything to happen to Sadao. He wanted to say that he needed Sadao and so he would protect him. The general's long, weak, yellowish face became expressionless because he was thinking about Sadao being arrested. He became serious, closed his eyes at the thought of Sadao being arrested and says that Sadao could not be arrested. Further, he added that if Sadao was sentenced to death and he needed an operation the next day, then who would operate upon him? So the general wanted to say that he needed Sadao and so he would protect him and he would not let anything happen to him. Okay. There are other surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested. There are other there are other surgeons, Excellency, Sadao suggested. None I trust. None I trust, the general replied. The best one have been trained by Germans and would consider the operation successful even if I died. I don't care for their point of view, he sighed. It seems pity that we cannot better combine the general ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. Then you could turn your prisoner over to the execution and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. The general laughed. He had an unusual sense of humor. As Japanese, could you not combine these two foreign elements? He asked. Here, the meaning of ruthlessness is harshness. Sentimentality, one more meaning is here sentimentality, being emotional, and execution means legal punishment. Execution, legal punishment. Okay, explanation. Sadao suggested to the general that there were many other surgeons in Japan. The general replied that he didn't trust anyone else other than Sadao. He added that the best surgeons had been trained by the German and for them the operation would be successful even if the general died. He didn't care for their point of view. The general added that Japanese could not combine the harsh nature of the German with the emotional nature of the Americans. So the general wanted to say that they didn't have such person who could combine the harsh nature of a German and the emotional nature of an American. He said that if they would have been able to do that, then Sadao could be harsh and could turn the prisoner to the Japanese and at the same time be emotional and not murder the general during the operation. With this, the general laughed. The writer says that the general had a strange sense of humor. He was very witty. Then he asked Sadao that being Japanese, could he not combine these two foreign elements? So the foreign elements to which the general is referring is the harsh nature of a German and the emotional nature of an American. It means he wanted Dr. Sadao to be very harsh while dealing with American prisoner, and he wanted the American sentimentality. He wanted Dr. Sadao to be very kind to him like an American sentimentality while doing operation. Sadao smiled. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure, he said, but for your sake I would be willing to try. Excellency. Sadao smiled at the general's question and says that he was not quite sure about it, but for his betterment he was willing to try it out. Okay. The general shook his head. I had rather not be the test case, he said. The general shook his head as he didn't want to be such a person on whom a new trial would be made. He felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the care of his life as an officer in times such as this, when repeated victory brought great responsibility all over the South Pacific. Overwhelmed means full of emotion, right? Suddenly the general felt weak and emotional as he was reminded of the problems he had faced throughout his life while fulfilling his duties and responsibility in various wars won by Japan. He had many responsibilities because he had brought many victories, and as he had brought many victories, he became more responsible to look after Japan. Okay, it's very unfortunate that this man should have washed up on your doorstep, he said irritably. I feel it so myself, Sadao said gently. Explanation. The general was irritated and says that the happening of the injured man reaching his house was an unfortunate one. Sadao agreed with him. It would be best if he could be quietly killed, the general said. Not by you, but by someone who doesn't know him. I have my own private assassins, means killer. Assassins. Suppose I send two of them to your house tonight or better any night. You need know nothing about it. It is now warm. What would be more natural than what would be more natural then that you should leave the outer partition of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. Assassins means professional killer. Explanation. The general says that the best solution was to kill the man quietly. He added that he would not be killed by Sadao but by his hired killers. He would send two killers to Sadao's house that night or any night. Sadao didn't Sadao did not need to know about it. As the weather was warm those days, he wanted Sadao to act naturally and keep the door of the outer partition of the men's room open. As it opened into the garden, it would give easy access to the killer while the man was asleep. Certainly, it would be very natural, Sadao agreed. In fact, it is so left open every night. Sadao agreed that the idea seems natural. He added that they didn't leave the door of the outer partition open at night. I will discuss the rest of the lesson in the very next video.